The fall of America in terms of morality is often viewed as a gradual decline in the country's adherence to traditional values, principles, and community standards that once played a strong role in public and private life. People who see this moral fall believe that America has moved away from values like self restraint, family unity, communal responsibility, and religious faith, which they feel formed the backbone of its cultural identity. This shift to often attributed to various societal changes and trends over the last several decades. First, rise in individualism. As society has increasingly celebrated individual freedom, there has been a corresponding decline in community oriented thinking. People's choices and values have become more self centered, prioritizing personal fulfillment over community obligations. This is often seen in things like social media culture, which celebrates personal success and image over collective well being. Second, changes in family structure. Traditional family structures have shifted with higher divorce rates, an increase in single parent households, and people choosing to marry later or not at all. For those who view family as a core moral unity, these shifts reflect a weakening of the moral foundation. Third, decrease in religious adherence. Religion, once a guiding force for many in America, has been a significant decline, especially among younger generations. This shift has often been associated with a decrease in traditional values and the sense of ethical boundaries, once reinforced by religious teachings. Fourth, entertainment and media influence. Pop culture, entertainment, and mass media are often cited as contributing factors. Many critics argue that the content produced today promotes superficiality, materialism, and me first mentality. Violent and explicit content available across all media platforms is also seen as desensitizing people to harmful behaviors. Fifth point, that is the last one, rise of secular humanism. The growing emphasis on secular, human centered moral frameworks has led some to argue that the country is moving away from absolute moral standards. This movement has made ethics more relative, which for some feels like a lack of moral foundation and a moral fall. This topic is widely debated, and while some see these trends as evidence of moral decay, others view them as indicators of progress, emphasizing freedom, inclusivity, and a break from outdated norms. It is a complex issue as people interpret morality differently, often based on their cultural, religious, and philosophical beliefs.